Hey, what's up, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Crunchyroll on your Amazon Fire Stick device, step by step. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. All right, so the first thing we need to do is move to the Find option on your Fire Stick home screen, and then click on Search. Once you're on the search screen, you'll see a keypad that allows you to search for any app available on the Amazon App Store. Today, we are looking for Crunchyroll, so go ahead and type Crunchyroll using your remote. After typing a few letters, Crunchyroll will appear in the search results. Move down and click on it. Now select the official Crunchyroll app from the Apps and Games section. Click on the Download or Get button to start installing the app on your Fire Stick device. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the app is installed, you'll see the Open button appear on your screen. Go ahead and click Open to launch Crunchyroll. When you open the app for the first time, you'll see the Welcome screen. Here, you can either sign in if you already have a Crunchyroll account, or you can choose Start Free Trial if you're new and want to create an account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to log in or sign up. After signing in, you'll have access to a huge library of anime series, movies, and the latest episodes directly on your Fire Stick. You can browse by category, search for your favorite anime, or explore trending shows right from the home screen. That's it. Crunchyroll is now successfully installed on your Amazon Fire Stick device. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.